Good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to visit my vlog, it's Mr. LCM. Yep, that's me. For today's video, I want you to join me as I prepare my coffee. Okay, I've learned about this coffee just yesterday and it interests me so much. They call it Dalgona coffee. So, I had a little research about this coffee. Dalgona coffee has its origin in India, in Pakistan, and even in Macau. And in those places, they call it whipped coffee or beaten coffee. So why call it Dalgona coffee? It became famous when this kind of coffee was featured in a Korean show and they found similarities with a Dalgona, which is a Korean candy. From then on, it became viral on TikTok, on Instagram, and even here on YouTube. So, for this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a cup of Dalgona coffee. So here are the ingredients that you will be needing for this coffee. In a mixing bowl, kindly put 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I'm not using a measuring spoon right now, so it still depends on my taste. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Next is 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 2 tablespoons of hot water. Kindly whisk it. You could use a hand mixer, or if you don't have any, you could use a spoon or a fork and whisk it 400 times until it becomes foamy. Maybe we could use a fork this time. Let's use a fork instead of a spoon. If you could see, slowly it becomes foamy. So that is one thing we have to achieve. Okay, so for me, this is just right. As long as it's foamy, there you have it. But you can make it a little bit more. It's up to you. For me, this is my desired texture of the foam. In a glass, kindly put ice cubes, as much as you want. And of course, don't forget to put your milk. And finally, top it with a coffee mixture. There. And there you have it. You just have your Dalgona coffee. Wow! If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be updated for the next video upload. See ya!